How to add baggage in Airasia after booking? Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add baggage in Airasia after booking. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. Obviously I'm not going to be able to show you the complete process because I don't have a ticket right now, but I can show you that if you are purchasing or upgrading your checked baggage allowance after your booking is made, you can do it up to 4 hours before the scheduled departure time via My Bookings, Airasia mobile app, or chat with Bo, like the help center. So here I'm going in to obviously show you perhaps that if you're purchasing or upgrading your checked baggage allowance, there are two ways to purchase or upgrade your existing checked baggage allowance. Pre-booking online, so pre-book online either when you make a booking or after your booking is made. Obviously you have 4 hours, but remember, it's always cheapest to pre-book your checked baggage, okay? And once baggage weight has been purchased, it is non-refundable. And at the airport, you can do it too. If you didn't pre-book your baggage, you can still purchase at the airport. On the day of departure, but will be limited only to 15 kilograms checked baggage allowance per guest per way and will be charged according to the prevailing airport baggage fee. That's it. So obviously there are more info that you can check, but by now I guess this is the important information. So this is how to add baggage in Airasia after booking. Thanks for watching.